To import a floor plan, go to Commission, press Offline, open your building, open the floor. Now switch to the grid view by clicking the grid icon in the top right corner, and now tapping anywhere on the screen to import a floor plan. Select Yes. Now you can choose to take a picture with the camera or select from your gallery. Open the gallery and locate your floor plan. Now we're going to crop it with a red outline, and we will make the scale match the floor plan so that it'll be easier for us to color in the locations. If the scale is too large, it'll be difficult to color it in accurately. The smaller the scale, the more granular you can color in the locations. Once you have outlined it and changed the scale, you can also change the brightness here on the right hand side. And then press Save. Now you can pan around and see the floor plan. And you can also pinch to zoom out a little bit to get an overview. To see the full floor plan, click on the zoom out button on the bottom right corner. And you can choose which area you want to look at and press X.